Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all. Students, today we will learn how to make a bird. So let's start. First of all, we have to make a big bee. For making a big bee, we will draw a standing line. Now, we will draw a small curve like this, and now we will draw a big curve like this. Very good. Now we will make it big. So put two dots and join them like this. Very good. Now we will draw a small zero like this. Now we will draw its legs. For making its legs, we have to draw two standing lines like this, and now two small slanting lines like this. Very good. Now we will make its tail. For making its tail, we have to make a triangle. We will start from the corner, and now one more slanting line and join them like this. Very good. Now students, you have to do the practice of the same at your home with the help of your parents.